CNBC and SurveyMonkey out with a new pulse check on small businesses, and the headline's not great. Kate Rogers joins us now with a look at why confidence is once again hitting all-time lows. Hey, Kate.
Hey, Joe. Good morning. You said it. Our CNBC SurveyMonkey Small Business Confidence Index is out for Q3. It's showing sentiment falling to 42 out of 100, the all-time low level we saw exactly 1 year ago. There are a few reasons for the dip this quarter. More small business owners said that they were expecting a negative impact on business from both tax and immigration policy, and there was also a decrease in the share of owners who were expecting headcount to increase in the next year. Now, whether that is tied to sentiment or the labor challenges that some owners are still having remains to be seen. There was also a dip in the share of owners who say that current business conditions are good, from 40% in Q2 to 38% now. 15% said that conditions were bad. 46% called conditions middling. The biggest concern for 40% of owners right now, jobs in the economy. Immigration and healthcare tied in a far-off second place, and the environment came in third. One more key note here. Fewer owners said that it was easy right now for them to access the capital that they needed to run their businesses, at 48% versus 53% last quarter. This is something we'd noted during the regional banking issues we saw earlier in the spring, but interesting that it's coming up now for owners again. The drop was also concentrated among those who bank at larger institutions, according to our survey. So that was also an interesting point here, because we know a lot of small business owners do rely on those community and regional banking systems there, and they're having a bit of an easier time, according to this data, accessing the capital they need.
Yeah, you wonder, what if we were having crappy jobs numbers and bad GDP and everything? It's very strange. There's a weird disconnect. And we actually asked, when we have some Biden administration officials on, it's like, why the disconnect between all the, the things that we're seeing, and they tout Bidenomics, and yet a lot of people don't really seem to be feeling it in their daily lives.
Another thing, too, as you mentioned, job numbers, a lot of small business owners, not only in our survey, but also the National Federation of Independent Business, are talking about labor quality and the availability of skilled labor. So there is an issue there with finding the right workers to fill some of the jobs that are open right now, and jobs in the economy. Obviously, the top concern for so many small business owners. So I think that could be why you're seeing some concern there, too.
Just wonder what would confidence be if things really, hit the fan, Kate. Anyway, thank you. Good to have you on.
Thank you.